Now, balance, yin yang always is like a Tai Chi. Balance is always the recipe for harmony, correct? When you have harmony means you are happy, correct? When you are happy means what? Yes. Yes, I like that. Money will come, love will come, right? People will come, good people will come. That means you have good people, good money, good career, and good health, right? Harmony. So Tai Chi is the concept in the year of 2026. Remember to do the Tai Chi, So actually Tai Chi says like that. You have one big apple cut into two, and then the rotten one throw away, and the good one will grow. So if you look at the Tai Chi, is like an infinity, right? So it will go, it will always move with the time of change, and then when it move and move, and then it will split into two. You will see two shape of the circle, you split into two, and then later the bad one will go. Understand or not? Got it or not? So this is what happened if you work with Po Chin star and then the Tai Yin star, you will get good things. So how to look at the, when I keep talking about the Tai Yang, Tai Yin, then how to see it? Cannot see, cannot touch, cannot feel, right? Some of you may think, where is the Tai Yin star? Right? You have to use the Tai Chi lens. You know what is Tai Chi lens? You have to visualize. Okay? Visualize everything. Every day is like Tai Chi. When you are angry, change to what? Happy, Da Tai Chi, right? Tai Chi. When you are sad, Da Tai Chi, push away the sad and bring in the happiness. Adopt this Tai Chi concept every day in your life, and I guarantee you, life is good, happy, and of course, money comes, right? Okay, and health comes, everything comes. So the concept of Tai Chi is the key to the destiny of your life.